Hello guys, so in today's short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp two-step verification problem. First thing guys, open the settings and then go to the wireless and networks. Now go to the airplane mode, enable it and then disable it again. After that go to the apps manager, open the apps and then go to the WhatsApp app. Click on this option to stop running the app in the background. After you click on force stop, click on the storage or the internal storage. Click on clear data, clear cache, go back. Now restart your phone, reopen WhatsApp and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.